have Annalise here, APC student of the diploma course. She did the Career Kickstarter Workshop on the Sunday before doing her workshop one. Annalise, how do you think the Career Kickstarter course prepared you for everything this week?
So when I went there, I didn't know what I was expecting, and it kind of just taught me a lot of stuff that we actually use here, like defibrillation, CPR and stuff like that. Knowing how to do it before coming here made me a bit less nervous.
Did you feel like it gave you an advantage coming?
Yeah, it was definitely an advantage because I actually knew what I was doing and how it was done, and the equipment here too.
What would you say to other students thinking about doing the Career Kickstarter course right before or even just sometime before workshop one?
Oh, I definitely recommend it. It does prepare you, especially doing it the day before like I did. I don't regret it at all. It definitely prepared me for that.
It really prepared me for the challenges ahead, and it's really good. I'm so happy that I came for the first aid before the workshop starts. If you have the opportunity, engage yourself first in the first aid. Make sure you partake in the first aid first. It's gonna really be like a background and prepare you both physically and both mentally for the challenges ahead. It's like a foundation for it, and if you're not here, you're missing.